How to use your iPhone 16e with a micro SD card. It's quite easy actually. Although the iPhone doesn't have any SD card slot on either side, you can connect one of these simply by using an adapter. The adapter is a USB Type-C to SD card. This one has the original SD card size, but also a micro SD card slot right over there. So you're going to place it inside, and I'll show you how to transfer files as well. Okay, let me just, oh, it was the other side actually. Here we go. And then insert it in the USB Type-C port of the iPhone 16e. And to have access to the data, so the pictures, maybe have PDF files, maybe videos on the SD card, all you have to do is to go in the Files app on your iPhone. If you don't see it, go all the way towards the right side. On the top, tap over here, and now type Files. Select the app, and now simply press Browse on the lower right corner. You may press it a few times to get on the main menu of the app. And from here, your SD card will appear in the top portion, right under on my iPhone. Maybe yours will have a different name. So if you tap on it, you'll be able to see all the files that are currently on the card. So if you have folders, you can go and click whatever and see them. If you want to transfer a file from the SD card to the internal memory of your iPhone 16e, let's say I want to transfer this folder, for example, well, you're going to press the three dots and you're going to tap on Select. Then you're going to select all the folders, all the videos, pictures you want to transfer. I just want to transfer this folder, so I will keep it checked. And then down below, I will click on the three dots and select Copy. Now go back, go on my iPhone, and if I want to paste these pictures, folders, whatever it was, simply keep press anywhere and select Paste. And as you see, it's getting transferred. And this is how I transfer something from here to there. You can do the contrary. So if you're on my iPhone, you can transfer any pictures, anything on the SD card as well. If the pictures or videos are in the camera roll of your iPhone, you simply have to open the camera roll, click Select, select the pictures, videos you want to transfer on the SD card, let's say these, and then press on the lower left side, the square with an arrow pointing up. Go down and select Save to Files. Go back, select your SD card, and now click Save. Everything will be saved over here, and the pictures and video will still be available on your iPhone memory in the camera roll. Once you're done transferring things, simply disconnect. You don't have to press anything. And this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below if it worked for you, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.